Now let us try some other things that we can do with string. The first thing I want to try to do is to convert my string to uppercase. So I can do to upper. Sorry, that's a JavaScript language. Let's try this and see what happens. And my string gets converted to uppercase. Let's comment this out. I can also do to lower, which would keep, of course, this is already lowercase. So let's try a third string and make that uppercase. And then try that with the lower. So once I run this, okay, length string is not defined. That's odd. Right? Okay, I'm not sure what happened. Probably a typo somewhere. So I have my this converted to uppercase and this converted to lowercase. So let's see what else can we do with string. Right. So we can reverse a string. It's a very simple thing. Sometimes we might not even need it. It might never be useful in your applications, but this is something useful to learn, and you never know when you need it. So to reverse a string, I can do it this way. So this is going to reverse a string. I think there will be an error somewhere. Oh, sorry. This is yeah. So run this, and my string is reversed. That's the I am a string. Another thing I can do, let's comment all this out, is to check if a string starts with a particular thing. So let's say print string starts with, this already starts with I, so let's test that. I expect this to return true, and that's true. If I change this to P, I expect it to return false, and that's false. And there is also the ends with. What does it? It ends with G, but let's just try with an entire string. Comment this out, and run the code, and you see this is true. That's because it ends with string. If I change this to something that doesn't exist, I expect it to be false. So this is some more operations you can do. You should know about strings, and you can try to practice with different kinds of strings. And as we go along, you probably have to use some of these strings, some of these methods in the application we're building.